For the following county: Washington, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for north central Washington County in north central Maryland until 3:45 a.m. Sunday. At 9:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. 2 to 3 inches of rain are estimated to have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hancock, Wilson, Conococheague, Clear Spring, Pectonville, Big Spring, Big Pool, and Sleepy Creek. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Second flood warning.
Launch in effect until 3 a.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued.
Alright, let's see what else we get tonight.